Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how you can create a 3D funnel, and it will be very eye-catching and it will convert your boring slides into attractive ones. So let's start how it will look like. First funnel will be formed, and after that ingredients will be entered into this funnel, and after the ingredients it will give you some output. Here is the output. So before start how you can make it, please like and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार मेरा चैनल. पिछली वीडियो में 14 व्यूज़ थे जिसमें से 10 दफ़ा तो मैंने खुद देखी थी. प्लीज़ गाइस like and subscribe my channel so that I can make such videos for you. So first please have some new slide, then go to insert shapes, select oval, and then double click it, no fill, shape outline. I can make it dark blue. Then right click, format shape, go to 3D format, top height let's pose 140 and bottom height let's pose 45. Make the other values 0. Select material, clear, 3D rotation, select y-axis to 300 and go to present perspective relaxed and make it again 330 and make it 110 or 120. So you can see that some part of the funnel has been formed. Now just you have to do is to copy paste it and reduce its size. After again copy paste it, reduce its size, like this. Select the upper one, send to back, select this one, send to back. Again select it, copy paste it, reduce its size and relocate it and send to back. Just do some arrangements. After this, select again, reduce its size and place it at the bottom. Now go to insert, add 3 blocks, select all, shape, present, make it some button like shape, change its color to green, its color to this one and its color to blue, and copy paste it and again place it here. So now we will add animation to it. Select this one, go to animation, fly in, effect, from top, again fly in, from top, select this one. Similarly, select all and apply this animation. Then you want that these three should appear, and after that it should move into it. After that it should disappear. Similarly, first it should appear, then it should move down, and then it should disappear. Select this one, it should appear, it should move, but you can see it is moving on the other side. So what you can do, just rearrange it and then add animation, fade, and in the last just pair. So you will see that it will look like that. So this is the complete idea. Here is some furnished animation. You can change the color. The video ready-made animation is available in the link below. You can download it and use it, and it's ready to use. Thank you once again, and please like and subscribe my channel so that I can make such videos for you. Thank you very much.